Hello everyone. Recently, All India Speakers Conference was hosted by Delhi Legislative Assembly. It was to mark the 100th anniversary of Vittal Bhai Patel becoming the first Indian president to the Central Legislative Assembly. He was the elder brother of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. After the Chauri Chaura incident, and suspension of non-cooperation movement in 1922, he has resigned from Congress and became a co-founder to Swaraj Party along with C.R. Das and Motilal Nehru. He has done immense contribution to the parliamentary traditions and to the role of speaker. The first one is ward and watch system. On 8th April 1929, when Bhagat Singh and Batukeshwar Dutt have thrown some bombs into the Legislative Assembly, British have forced to give up their role and responsibility on parliamentary security and to transfer that powers to British. However, Vittal Bhai Patel stood firmly against them and told that he would be taking up the responsibility, and thus he has created this ward and watch system. The second system is establishment of autonomous parliamentary secretariat. In this, the secretariat should directly report only to the speaker so that he would be having an independent advice which is unbiased in nature. He also helped in creation of Department of Legislative Assembly, through which it strengthened the autonomy of speaker. Do let me know in the comment section who was the first speaker after the constitution of Indian Parliament. Thank you.